Hi there. This video is about managing users in 3CX and how it is straightforward and efficient. Whether you're creating, updating, or managing roles and security, the platform has you covered. To manage users, head to the Users section from the left-hand menu. In this Users page, you have the list of your users, their email, extension, departments, DIDs, IP phone, and whether they are using 2FA or not. At the top, you have Many Action button where you can create new users. Click on Add User. You will be sent to this page where you can fill in details like first name, email, extension, and role. You also have the choice to choose a DID from the list of the DIDs you have and to also mention the outbound caller ID. The same page will pop when you click on the Edit button after selecting an existing user to modify their settings or change their DID. If you want to edit many users at the same time, just select them all and click on Edit to bulk edit all of them. You also have the option to import or export bulk users in an CSV file. If you need to enable 2FA for everyone, you just click on 2FA button on the top and it will do the trick. If you have Microsoft 365, you can import extensions and automatically sync users when you add or delete Microsoft 365 users. This requires a dedicated instance. Importing users from a CSV file. You can import a batch of extensions from a CSV file / spreadsheet. Securing your user accounts. Configuring Google or Microsoft single sign-on. You can allow users to access 3CX using single sign-on from either Google or Microsoft. You can also enable two-factor authentication on accounts. This will force users to enter an additional code besides their email and password. 3CX 2FA supports Google and Microsoft authenticators. 3CX user management tools are designed for simplicity, scalability, and security. Whether managing users or enabling 2FA, 3CX helps you maintain control with ease. Watch our other tutorials to learn more about how 3CX can empower your communication. See you next time!